In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export data in Airtable. Whether you're new to Airtable or just looking to fine-tune your data management skills, this guide will help you navigate through the process step by step. So let's dive right in. First things first, open your web browser and head over to Airtable's website by simply typing in airtable.com in the address bar. If you're not already signed in, you'll notice a sign in button conveniently located on the homepage. Go ahead and click on that to get started. Now you'll need to log into your account, enter your email and password, then click that familiar blue sign in button. Either you'll be greeted by your workspace immediately or prompted to continue. If it's the latter, just click on continue and you'll be on your way. Now, once you're in your workspace, you'll want to navigate to the specific table where you wish to import your data. It's usually laid out neatly, giving you a bird's eye view of all your projects and tables. Click on the table you're interested in, which should open it up in full view, ready for your magic touch. Now comes the exciting part, importing data. Look towards the top of the table, and you'll see a plus sign meant for adding or importing data. Click on it and a menu will appear, offering different options for bringing in data from various sources. Whether you have a CSV file, an Excel spreadsheet, or even data from other apps, select your desired option and follow the prompts to proceed. Once you've selected the data source, Airtable makes it easy to map your incoming data to the structure of your table. Take your time to ensure that all fields are correctly aligned. This crucial step ensures that your data is seamlessly integrated, avoiding any future headaches with missing or misaligned entries. As you go through the process, you'll begin to see your data populating within the table. Airtable does a remarkable job of ensuring that the flow of data is smooth and error-free, but if you encounter any issues or need to tweak the setup, don't hesitate to make the necessary adjustments. Remember, importing and exporting data isn't just a one-time task, it's an essential skill for maintaining the accuracy and efficiency of your database. Practice regularly and soon importing and exporting data in Airtable will become second nature to you. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial, and I hope it's helped you gain confidence in managing your Airtable projects. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks on making the most out of your Airtable experience.